So hi guys, welcome to Yourpedia Education. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about recruitment update from the THDC India Limited. So this is a very great opportunity for those students who have performed really well in GATE 2023. Means almost after 1 year, they are also getting opportunity. They can apply through their GATE 2022 because there are many students who have performed really well in the GATE 2022, but to improve that, to come under the All India Rank 100, they have tried again. But because of some circumstances, some students are not able to perform as they have performed in the last exam. So there is no matter of disappointment. You all people still have got one backup opportunity, and that is in the form of the THDC India Limited. So recruitment for the post of engineer trainee in discipline of civil, electrical, mechanical, and this recruitment is through GATE 2022 score, right? So the last deadline for this is 4th of May 2023. Yesterday this advertisement roll out, so you can apply. You can visit the official link of the THDC India Limited. You can see the very first option in the career section. This PDF is popping up, right? So there are a lot more many details which are discussed in this advertisement. I will discuss here some key point. So next guys, if you talk about the vacancy background, the civil engineering, there are 36 number of vacancies and they are categorized like this for different categories. For electrical engineering, again we have the 36 number of vacancies categorized accordingly as per the category. And for mechanical engineering, we have the 80 number of vacancies. So these are very huge number of vacancies if you are looking for the public sector job, right? So now we talk about what are the all discipline or subsidiary discipline who can apply for civil vacancy. So for civil, only civil engineering, and this is the eligibility criteria. 60%, 65% eligibility criteria is there, and they are taking the average of 12th and 10th also. Consider and read this carefully, right? So if we talk about the electrical engineering, in electrical vacancy you can fight if you are coming from electrical power, electrical electronics, power system, high voltage, etc. If you all have studied BTech in these all subsidiary branches, you can fight for the vacancy under the electrical engineering. Same in the mechanical. For mechanical automation engineering, if you belong to this category, you can fight equally for the mechanical vacancies, which are the 18 in number. So guys, apart from this, if we talk about, if you are fighting for the vacancy of the civil engineering, then your paper code should be civil engineering. If you are fighting for the vacancy of electrical engineering, your paper code should be electrical engineering. If you are fighting for the vacancy of the mechanical, your paper code should be the mechanical engineering. It means all the subsidiary branches under electrical engineering you can apply, but your paper code should be in the electrical engineering. Keep this in mind, right? And if we talk about the selection criteria is very important. There are two stages. The first stage is the shortlisting stage, in which you will be shortlisted on the basis of your GATE score, GATE performance in 2022 only. And they will not consider any other GATE score, neither 2021, neither 2023. They have clearly mentioned they will recruit only on the basis of the GATE 2022. So the first stage, 70% weightage is to your GATE score, and then you will go to the next stage. Next stage will be obviously interview, that is the 30% personal interview. So total 100%. So guys, this is a great opportunity for all you people who are looking out to join and join some reputed PSUs. So apply to this vacancy, visit THDC India Limited portal and don't miss this opportunity, and very soon start preparing for the interview. Because I many times keep on telling you people, if you are getting shortlisting for the interview stage, then you are one step away from your final destination. So don't miss, don't take the interview preparation, negligency, don't take it, very lightly. It's a very important stage. You need to fight and you need to compete with the equal mind student. So Yourpedia Education wish you all the best and start preparing for the interview with the Yourpedia Education. Thank you.